after experiencing a stuck loading screen in Roblox, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and improve your loading experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can test your speed using an online speed test tool. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you're playing Roblox through a web browser, clearing your cache can help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. After clearing, restart your browser and try loading Roblox again. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. If you're using a PC, open the Roblox app, and it should automatically update if a new version is available. If you're on a mobile device, check the App Store for updates. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with Roblox. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and then try loading Roblox again. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the previous steps don't work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loading issue. After reinstalling, launch the game to see if the problem persists. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Roblox. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.